Okay. Oh, that's how you like it, right? Okay. So when I'm showing here, okay, that's how you like. We're gonna do exactly the same thing, okay? What's going on, everybody? Tick Invictus back. Welcome everybody to Invictus Barber Academy, to another class. And today, as you can see, I'm gonna work on African American hair. The first thing, what I'm going to do now is kind of debulk and trim his whole head around his whole head with number 3 closed. Just trim a little bit. Number 2. So now I'm going to start working with my 0 open. I'm going to create my first graduation line with my 0 open. Zero open. I need to maintain my line consistent in height. And 0 close now, close to the hairline here. Now I have a line between my my 0 open up here, and I have my 0, so in between I have a hair that I'm going to blend with my 0 open all the way to close. 0 open. Now I'm going to use my trimmer upside down. I'm going to tap this hair downwards a little bit. So now I'm skipping one guard. I'm using 1 open all the way closed. I'm kissing number 2, half open. All the way closed. The line is already almost blended. I'm going to use my 0 open so I can just finish blending the line, because remember I used 0 open up to there, that height, and I still have some hair there. And now I'm gonna start cleaning and give some little details here. Open first. I'm using full blade, then the corners. Close the lever, scooping, rubbing. Close almost all the way, just to blend the line that is like very low. And you can use the lever more open, close, depending on how high you want to go with your guard. So remember, I skip 1 guard. Now what I'm going to do, a little bit the connection with the 2 and 1 open. I have a little bit dark here. What I'm going to use, 1.5 open and close all the way, just to clean a little bit more in between. I'm going to tap down with my straight razor here, just tap it. I'm not shaving. And then I'm going to use my trimmers to remove the remaining hair, and then I'm going to use my shaver. You see, I'm just tapping down. Reason why, now I know where to stop with my shaver. I know, you see, I use my straight razor around here. You can see a little white here. And then now I know where to stop with my shaver. I'm going to remove the hair first. I'm going to remove the hair first. Very smooth. Pulling the ear down, just cleaning around the neck. Now, to remove some length and then this darkness, this dark area, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my regular shears, because by using my shears, what I can do is maintain my length and my shape. I'm going to use my blending shears. Start with barbering comb side. So the same thing here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my number 2 close downways because I want to just clean whatever is in here. So now I'm going to use some point cutting techniques here. So I just pick some dark areas, dark spots. So now guys, I'm gonna do his outline, C cup, very pronounced, and on the forehead. So here on the C cup, I'll groom it down. My horizontal line, and now I connect using the tip of my blade. Now I'm going to do his outline here on the forehead. Groom a little bit the hair, bring it down. I'm not gonna go too deep. If I follow its natural shape, I'm gonna go too deep, but I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna mark center line, and from the center line, I'm gonna go to the sides and make a nice and square line. And I need to constantly look at it and fix it little by little, so I don't go too deep. Now guys, I'm gonna work on the final details. Just dusting the hair with my shears, taking every single string that is out of its natural position area here. I told you this is a step-by-step in the African American hair. As you can see, very nice, clean, and line are very even, low fade on this side, very low fade, clean, clean, clean. I leave some hair on the parallel ridge to make more square. See, we're gonna leave grow here a little bit more, make this pop out a little bit more. So that's the final result. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys learned something from me today, and I'm gonna break it down for you a little quick. So what I have done here, debulk with number 3 all the way around, and then I start with 2 close, like debulking on the side, creating my base all the way around the head, and then I use half open first, like a finger width above the ears, and 2 finger width on the nape, and then below that, beneath that line, I create a zero closed, and then I blend it between those 2 lines. I blend with the 0 open all the way to 0 closed, and then I skip 1 guard. I didn't use, at first I didn't use 1.5. What I did use was 1 open all the way to 2, just kissing number 2, and then all the way around I almost blended the line, went down all the way down to 1.5, and then I had a little bit of like dark between 1 open and 2. I use, just to break and clean a little bit, I use 1.5, and then at the end, what you saw on the corners all around the head, what I use, 2 and 1.5 downwards, just to clean a little bit of this. And this is the end result. As you can see, low fade, very clean, as you can see. Just finished my brother Jackson from Haiti. He showed me a picture what he wants, so he asked me, I did. I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys follow the step. If you think this hair is very hard to do, is It's the easiest haircut you're ever gonna do in your life. Very soft. The lines disappear very quickly. Follow the step. Get a mannequin. Get a friend, anybody that has an African American, and try the step by step. Even if you're a barber already, you have clients that have this type of hair, and then you can practice all day. Hope you guys learned from Victor's Barber Academy, and I appreciate you guys are in this course, and that's my duty, that's my mission. Let's grow together, and I see you in the next class.